Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jimpo Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatigan natin ang nagsabihin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. This is Archangel Raphael messages for the sign of Libra. So Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Ano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng may kapal at siksik liglig nag-uumapaw ang bumalik sa inyo, no? At umpisahan na natin ang laban. Angel Spirit messages for the sign of Libra. So, ano ang pinakamensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay? At ano ang pinakamensahe sa'yo ni Archangel Raphael? So, let's see. Angel Spirit messages, give me information for the sign of Libra. Pero kung sinasabi dito, there's a listen to your intuitions, no? Makinig ka raw sa gut feeling mo dito. So, ibig sabihin, may pinapahatid sa'yo ng mensahe by your intuitions, inner voice, no? Kumbaga kung ano yung nararamdaman or gut feeling, no? Because there's a detoxification. See, kailangan mong i-release yung mga toxicities, no? Kailangan mong i-release, kumbaga sa katawan nito ay toxin sa katawan, yung dumi, no? Kumbaga or negativity. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mong linisin yung sarili mo, no? Or yung mga tao sa paligid mo na nagbibigay ng negatibo sa'yo, no? Or naghahatak ng negative sa'yo or something na gumawa sa'yo ng negativity na kailangan mong linisin, no? And of course, there is an inner authority, no? Parang binibigyan ka ng information dito ng ating na Archangel, no? Para maisakatuparan yung mga nararamdaman mo at mga, kumbaga, mga hangarin mo, no? Kumbaga, yung mga gusto mong maisakatuparan ay may tutupad talaga. So, let's see what is additional messages. Paano natin siya hihimay-himayin, kung paano natin siya may elaborate sa inyo. Umpisahan na natin. Angel Spirit guys. Wow! A white naman. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a divinity, no? Ibig sabihin dito, there's an kaliwanagan or enlightenment or there's a positivity na binibigay sa dito ng ating universe. At the same time, there's King of Wands, control, no? Kumbaga daw magkaroon ka ng control sa sarili mo, kailangang kontrolin mo yung mga bagay-bagay, even kumbaga yung sa sarili mo, yung pagkain ng mga bagay na hindi magaganda or hindi kumbaga alam mo hindi makakatulong sa iyo yung mga like soft drinks or something na kumbaga alam mong magbibigay ng karamdaman sa'yo. Parang gano'n, kumbaga kontrolin mo yung sarili mo, even din sa pera, no? Kailangan kontrolin mo yung sarili mo sa pag-order ng kung ano-ano, no? Baka pag dumating yan, kumbaga, sunod-sunod, problema ka, or something. Basta sinasabi dito na kailangan mo i-take ng control, no? Either emotions, no? So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a Three of Pentacles. Collaboration about sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay, no? Kailangan, there's a teamwork, no? And of course, there's Seven of Pentacles. Wow. A harvest time. Kumbaga, about sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, baka magkakaroon ka na ng harvest time. Additional messages. And of course, there's a Two of Wands. There's a two path, no? Kumbaga, there's two sides, no? Na kumbaga na kailangan mong pagpilian, no? And of course, there's an Eight of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a fast communication or fast movement or trouble. Or there's an email, messages. So, what is the white naman? What is the white naman? So, sinasabi dito, there's a death card, a transformation, no? Kumbaga, yun na nga, yung sinasabi ng detoxification, na paglilinis, no? Ng mga negativity para magkaroon ng pure positivity, no? Kumbaga, pure divinity, no? And of course, there's a death card, there's an ending and a new beginning, a transformation. So, what is the King of Wands? A King of Wands, parang sinasabi ng authority, no? So, parang sinasabi ng control. And of course, kumbaga sinasabi dito na sinusuportahan ka ng ating universe sa ginagawa mo. And of course, there's a Queen of Cups, there's an healing. Magkakaroon ka raw ng healing dito. Kumbaga, at the same time, what is the Three of Pentacles? And of course, there is the lovers, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo there's a teamwork, collaboration about sa love life, no? Kumbaga, magkaroon kayo ng pagkakasundo or pagkakaroon ng plano sa isa't isa, gano'n. At the same time, parang investment sa isa't isa. So, what is the Seven of Pentacles? And of course, there's the Hermit card. There's a soul searching, no? There's a soul enlightenment. May mga bagay na maglilinaw sa'yo dito. So, what is the Two of Wands? What is the Two of Wands? There's a Seven of Swords. Kumbaga, mag-ingat ka, no? There's some snake around you. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, mag-ingat ka, may mga sinungaling, manloloko, or something na kailangan mong pakawalan. Yung sinasabi, detoxification. Makinig ka sa inner voice mo. Ito yung intuitive feeling na sinasabi dito na Archangel Raphael na kailangan makinig ka sa nararamdaman mo, sa gut feeling mo. Kasi maraming tao susubukan kang linlangin at susubukan kang lokohin. So, what is the Eight of Wands? What is the Eight of Wands? And because there's a Six of Swords, transition, no? There's a fast communication para magiging mabilis ang eksena na to. Na magdadala sa iyo sa transition, makakaalis ka na sa sitwasyon, no? So, let's see what is the White Naman and the Death card. And of course, there is a Page of Pentacles, a manifestation, no? May mga bagay na mamamanifest ka na rito. Matatapos na yung mga bagay-bagay na nagbigay sa'yo ng pabigat. At the same time, there is a Knight of Wands, slow and steady. Kontrolado mo dapat, no? Maging mahinahon at kumbaga pag-isipan yung mabuti, no? Bago ka mag-take ng action. So, what is the Three of Pentacles and the Lovers? And of course, there's an Ace of Cups, no? A new romance, no? Ibig sabihin dito, pagdating sa inyong partnership or sa inyong mag-asawa, sinasabi dito, magkaroon kayo ng pag-uusap or collaboration or heart-to-heart talk, no? Kumbaga magkaroon kayo ng investment to each other. So, what is the Seven of Pentacles and the Hermit card? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an Ace of Pentacles. There's a big money coming in for you, no? There's an harvest time. So, Hermit is a soul searching. Ibig sabihin to, ginawa mong sentro si God, either ang ating mga gabay, so, ngayon, bibigyan ka ng tamang slot or a big slot coming in for you in the big money, big opportunities, or maaari makabili ka ng mga bagay na gusto mo. It's either bahay, trabaho, bahay, negosyo, or sasakyan. So, what is the Two of Wands? And of course, there's a Seven of Swords. There's a Three of Cups, no? There's a third party. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo daw detoxification. Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo ng linisin or kailangan mo ng alisin, no? Yung mga third party or something na nagbibigay sa inyo ng kumbaga problema, no? Pagdating sa relasyon, sa negosyo, hanap buhay, no? Or there's a Seven of Swords na meron ditong cheater or something, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na tanggalin mo na yung ahas sa leeg mo or something na may umaaligid sa'yo na kumukuha ng information or something, yung pala, aahasin ka lang. Ganon. So, what is the Eight of Wands? And of course, the Six of Swords. There's Two of Pentacles, being a balance. So, ibig sabihin dito, transition and of course, a past communication that brings you a balance. So, ibig sabihin dito, magkakaroon ka ng balance at maibabalik yung control mo, no? So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the King of Pentacles, sa practicality, no? Kailangan maging practical, and of course, the Queen of Wands, stability, control, no? Kumbaga, pagdating sa bagay-bagay, kumbaga, kontrolado mo, or you are being independent also, no? Kumbaga, kaya mong tumayo sa sarili mo pa, and of course, sa practical ka na. At then, of course, there's an Ace of Swords. Kumbaga, there's a breakthrough or tagumpay na tinatawag, diba? Kumbaga, magtatagumpay ka sa anuman larangan, diba? Excuse me. My God. Nangatay lalamunan ko. Inom lang ako ng water, guys. Excuse me. Okay, thank you. So, let's see what is additional messages. Let's see what is additional messages. There's a Nine of Wands, no? There's a final push. May mga bagay na kailangan mo pang ilaban. At of course, napakalapit mo na sa success. A new beginning is coming your way. No? Nine of Wands, parang napakalapit mo na sa success. And of course, parang sinasabi dito na magtatagumpay ka na as soon as possible. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels or Love Oracle card. What is the Love Oracle card? The Snake. Oh, I told you so. Diba? Ito kasi, may nakita kasi akong ahas dito. No, may ahas na nakapulupot sa ano. Kumbaga sasakalin ka dito or ibabackstab ka, no? The Snake. Kumbaga mag-ingat ka, may traitor, no? Na umaaligid sa'yo. At the same time, there's engagement ring. So some of you, there's partnership talaga and union. And of course, let's see. And of course, there's a coffee cup. Kumbaga, there's a conversation. So let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. See, may tukso. There's a temptation. And of course, there is a union. See, may temptation, may tukso lumalapit, no? Some of you may ex na lumalapit or something. And of course, there's an harvest time, no? Kumbaga, makukuha mo what you deserve. So, let's see what is additional messages for Archangel Michael. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? You're on the right path. No, napanood mo tong reading na to, natumugma sa'yo. So, this is you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka. No, ngayon alam mo na, naunawaan mo na, 'di ba? And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito na you and your loved ones are safe. So, additional messages. And of course, sinasabi dito, you created the situation and you have the power to change it. No, ikaw yung naglagay sa sitwasyon mo, ikaw din makakagawa ng paraan at para makaalis ka diyan. So, let's see what is additional messages for this energy. There's a deceit, no? Some of you may mangkukulam dito or may something na there's a black magic involved. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a attachment. See? Meron dito kailangan mong kumawala, no? Kumbaga, na-attach ka sa tao na to. Kailangan mong umalis dito sa eksena na to. Kumbaga, meron nagbabalat kayo. And because there's a man holding a heart. Some of you are Libra woman. So, ibig sabihin may taong may hawak ng puso mo. And if you are Libra man, so ibig sabihin ikaw yung may hawak ng puso niya. So, there's a cross-watcher out there. Kumbaga, sinasabi, nagre-reflect din sa inyo to, no? And of course, there's a complacency. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, wag mong hayaang mahuli ang lahat or something na, kumbaga, may mga bagay na lumilipas or may mga bagay na kailangan mong mag-invest sa sarili mo, no? Wag mo antayin mahuli ang lahat. And because there's a prayer, no? Kumbaga, lahat ng mga dasal or lahat ng mga panalangin mo ay may isa sa katuparan. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a water your garden. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a body care, tenderness, and of course, there's a rest. Kailangan mo rin ng pahinga, no? And of course, there's you're not alone. Isolation. Some of you nakakaramdam ka ng stress or some of you nakakaramdam ka ng frustration. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo ipahinga yan, no? Kasi parang nagkakaroon ka ng over fatigue. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's some music. Some of you baka nakakatulong ang music sa'yo para magkaroon ka ng healing. Para makaramdam ka na parang gumaan ng loob mo. And of course, there's a teaching. May mga bagay na parang natututunan sa ibang tao, no? May mga bagay na ini-inspire ka or parang hinahangaan ka. So, what is the Romance Angels? And of course, it is safe to you to love. Ibig sabihin dito, safe daw sa iyo yung nagmamahal ka, no? Kumbaga kapag nagmamahal ka kasi talagang over todo bigay ka, no? Kumbaga lahat nagagawa mo, 'di ba? Inspire. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a fear. Alisin mo lang daw yung takot at pangamba mo. No? And of course, guys, there's forgiveness. May mga bagay na kailangan mo ng bitawan. May mga bagay na kailangan mo ng pakawalan. Yung puot at galit, no? Kumbaga yung nagbibigay ng blockages sa'yo. So, what is the Monsology? So, what is the Monsology? You are good enough, no? Pag sinasabi dito na sapat ka na daw, no? Huwag mong isipin na may kakulangan sa'yo. And of course, nothing will come in this situation. Walang mangyayari sa sitwasyon kung hindi ka magtitake ng action, no? Kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw. Kaya pala there's a detoxification, maraming toxicities dito. It's either friend, no? Or there's an ex, no? Or may mangkukulam dito or something, no? Kailangan mo linisin nasa hanay mo. And of course, there's a resolution, no? Problem solving. Mari masusolusyonan yung mga problema pinagdadaanan mo. And of course, personal power, no? Adaptivity. Kumbaga madali kang makapag-adapt ng mga bagay-bagay. Kumbaga flexible ka. Handa kang matuto sa kung anumang bagay-bagay. So let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Okay. Come to me, all you that labor and heavy laden, and I give you the rest. So, ibig sabihin dito, bitawan mo raw yung mga bagay na nagbibigay sa'yo pabigat, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo na raw surrender yan. Wag mong daladalahin yan, at wag mong hayaang magbigay sa'yo yan ng blockages para hindi mo maisakataparan yung mga pangarap mo. Ibig sabihin dito, isurrender mo kay God yan, bitawan mo, at kumbaga gagaan ng loob mo. So, what is the angel's number? What is the angel's number? Angel's number represent a 777. Ibig sabihin dito, I am in the flow. Your purpose flows from the within you, and everything that is unfolding or being revealed to you is a part of your purpose, a state of peace and calmness in your soul. Ibig sabihin dito, marireveal naman daw yan, no? Dapat kumalma ka lang, no? Hayaan mong dumaloy yung mga bagay-bagay na mangyayari. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, purpose ni God yan. So, ibig sabihin, plano ni God yan. So, hayaan mong mailahad at may sakataparan. Kailangan mo lang maging aware at kailangan mong pakawalan. At mga negativity, yung mga toxicities, and of course, makinig ka sa inner voice mo. So, let's see what is the messages of life. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's progress. Each day, as I recognize the divine with me, I progress further along the path of my spirit. Today, I respect my needs, observe what happened within, and do my best to maintain a positive attitude. I have faith in my inner strength and capabilities. I grow and improve every day. Today, good opinions of me is the only opinion that matters. So, ibig sabihin ito, kumbaga, hindi ka na nangangamba, hindi ka na nag-iisip ng kung ano-ano, hinahayaan mo na lang, no, i-surrender kay God. Either sa ating angel spirit, no, alam mong may pagbabago, alam mong may magbabago sa buhay mo, no, handa kang, kumbaga, ibigay lahat at handa kang surrender lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. Alam mong, kumbaga, nagiging optimistic ka dito, nagiging ina-attract mo lahat ng mga good energy and positive energy. Hinahayaan mo na yung mga negatibo, no, or kinapakawalan mo yung mga negatibo, no. Parang it's a good part na parang nagkakaroon ka ng realization. So guys, this reading is general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. This reading is Arcangel Raphael messages for the sign of Libra. So guys, maraming salamat sa walang samang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads, no? Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, no? Siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw ang manumbalik sa inyo. And of course, don't forget to comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo kung saan makaisulok ng mundo. Para sa susunod na reading natin, baka energy mo na ang mahagilap at masagap ng ating mga gabay. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!